Who knows what I shall meet in these strange places?
Truth is a place. There can be 100 roads, 1,000 paths that will take you there eventually. It doesn't matter where you come from. If you walk toward the truth, you will reach it, whatever path you take.
You are wrong. The truth is a cave in the Black Mountains. There is one way there and one only. And that way is treacherous and hard. And if you choose the wrong path, you will die alone on the mountainside. But all is quite hopeless. So it's no good worrying about tomorrow. It probably won't come.
So the only thing left to do is decide which way you're going to go.
Well, of course. I must find this cave and discover the truth and tell the words. She found them somewhere and told the curious creature of her name and of her journey.
Oh, it's such a holiday. Be bold, but not too bold.
Mary couldn't help but like the strange little creature. She chuckled.
That, an inequality, mood, or disposition. Then what if, sat alone, beside a ruined puddle.
Can you help?